for the near future, I have enough things in the pipeline at the end of the day, you get me? Record label for drop, with a lot of music, my artist that I carry to the table, you don't know. Me, myself personally, I can start write and sing some songs at the end of the day. I exercise enough part of the talent. So people just look out, stay tuned, check in on the IG, you don't know. Big up Romeich Entertainment all the time, I don't know the thing, big up the whole team. You know, Huntsman, they represent all well. Big up everybody, fully chip.
What up, peeps? Welcome to another episode of Next Friday. Now, right now, we're actually with DJ Huntsman in the building.
Fully chip.
Oh, God.
Yeah, there, you know, they are Romeich Entertainment HQ, all our vibe, you know, it's a Magnum box.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, so there, I'm just done playing, you know, all a nice echo vibe. Man, also a good look energy.
Yeah.
Magnum girl, them come on and give you a nice energy too. You don't know, big them up all the time, you see me?
Boy, may I tell you.
Big up Jade too. Jade, run out pan them.
Yeah, man, we see Jade a bus two dancing and the middle. You know, watch where I go on, man. So, Huntsman, what the vibe like, sir? How the music are treated these days?
Well, everything good so far. Can't complain as, you don't know, COVID there and still I do it part, but at the end of the day, we still put in the work, we still make an impact in the industry, we still make a voice the earth through the lives, through the mixtapes and all of the recordings that we've been to do.
Definitely.
You get me? So I encourage people to try to keep up on the social media and the SoundCloud and the Audio Mac.
Yeah, man, and tell them right away who don't know already, tell them where to find you on the socials. No?
Yeah, man, so it's DJ Huntsman _1 on Instagram, man, you don't know. DJ Huntsman for everything else because, you know, it's universal, you get me? For us to answer it.
For real, what? Look here, people. Enough people don't know this still now, but when I greet them and I say, yo, fam. I literally fam, you know.
Yeah,
but
man.
I just wake up one day and me hear about this Huntsman. You know, me know Shamari. But wake up one day and me hear about this famous Huntsman.
Yeah.
Tell the viewers a little about how you got into the music and how the whole Huntsman came about.
Alright. Everything started from East Road.
Yeah, man.
You should know where they have. Then we have sound in the yard. I don't know if you didn't know with Dwayne.
Yeah.
The name Starlight. And you know, just being around them at that age, I don't know, as me tell everybody, just they're around the whole atmosphere, the vibe of everything and looking on and you know, enough parties to keep right in front of the yard gate. So I have a lot of experiences with parties, so you don't know from a tender age. You know, I see them thing there and from a time I just have the love there for music. I think they have the music for me in a belly.
For real, man. Because I only if a party used to go on and keep while in the belly, see, you know. We know from before, while him in the belly. But for real, man. So the name Huntsman now, how you come up with that name?
I wasn't the person who gave myself the name. Big up to Doing the Park people. You know, that's where the name come from, Huntsman. One day I just randomly walk out with a Hunts for my t-shirt and I just name Huntsman after that.
So you never have known for do the personality or anything you do, I just a t-shirt.
Or some people attribute it to, at that point was very like small if I remember. But it kind of smallish in the body size and short, so you know, I probably could have fit to a girl this size.
Yeah.
So, you know.
So that's a part of it too.
Yeah, we can attribute a part of that to the name too.
Yeah, man. And then tell me now, fast forward a little bit from there so now to the whole link now with Romeich and Romeich Entertainment.
Alright, the whole link up with Romeich Entertainment was through Jade.
Yeah.
Cause Jade was been following up my talent for a little while because she hear about me being nominated for the YVS the first time in 2017. It was the first time I meet her and then throughout that whole year, you don't know, we make a link and then Jade carry me to Romeich and you don't know, the link set from there.
Yeah, man, the rest is history.
Yeah, man.
What is it like though working with Romeich? I mean, where is it the golden
Golden boy.
Golden boy. See that?
Stamp and seal.
Stamp and seal, man. So
certified.
What's it been like though working with Romeich, being part of the Romeich family?
Alright. It's been like an upward experience. I can say everything is just upwards. You get me? You progress, see new things, you meet a lot of new people, you know, a lot of doors open. You get me? I say a lot of whether say places where I never get to see if I wasn't a part of the Romeich Entertainment team. I've been there, get me, the Dream Weekend cruise. You get me? I say all of them things there. Just being a part of the whole team itself is just a privilege, if you understand.
Definitely. You remember what Romeich's first reaction was when he heard some of your music or see us spin live? You remember what the reaction was like?
You know, honestly, I don't remember, but when I love him, if him tell me. Because, you know, Romeich like have a way to recall certain events, so you don't know, it would be entertaining to hear me. You don't know how to explain that. I don't personally remember though. I don't, you know, we're not really too,
yeah, man. So, looking at the whole COVID thing now though, what are some of your plans though when this whole COVID thing free up? What the first thing you want to do when the COVID free up, man?
I'm not gonna say the first one, man. The first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna find the biggest party and play. Cause definitely that's gonna be the only place for me.
Definitely.
I don't know. For sure, Romeich probably be the person who I keep the party, so.
Well, naturally that would be part of it, man. Definitely.
Or even me, because I keep events to likewise. I have like 2 events now under my belt. Chip City Entertainment and Loud the Party. 2 big events that I keep are a part of.
So that means you go and plan up your things?
Yeah, man, everything in the pipeline at the end of the day, man. I just COVID. For the near future, I have enough things in the pipeline at the end of the day. You get me? Record label for drop. With a lot of music, my artists that I carry to the table, you don't know. Me, myself personally, I start write and sing some songs at the end of the day. I exercise enough part of the talent. So people just look out, stay tuned, check in on the IG, I don't know. Big up Romeich Entertainment all the time, I don't know the thing, big up the whole team. You know, Huntsman, they represent all well. Big up everybody, fully chip.
I'm going to ask you a little about that, so you bring some artists, you drop some label and you start DJ. Tell me about that, because we never know about that part of history.
You don't know at the end of the day, being a part of music, you don't always have to just exercise one side of music, and at the end of the day, if you have a talent, expound on it. You get me?
Yeah, man.
You're not going to know until you do it, you're not going to know until you try, not the beats are trying. At the end of the day, I'm around a lot of talented people when they come on to the music and DJing and singing and all of them things. At the end of the day, it's too easy.
Yeah,
I remember I grew up in a church, and church people are the baddest artists.
Okay, you want to be a singer, Angie.
The baddest singer them come from church.
Yeah, man. For real.
I'm